Here is a wonderful 2024 Hyundai Palisade. Here's a convenient, comfortable, and capable Hyundai Palisade, the spacious three-row crossover with a silky smooth ride, V6 power, and premium interior. This versatile SUV combines style and functionality in perfect proportions to create the ideal family excursion vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated and/or cooled front seats, head-up display, third-row seat, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start. Get the style and performance you want and the space you need in this distinctive Palisade. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.